Okay, so this is basically a iPad to ZX Spectrum image transfer. Now, first of all, give the command to Spectrum to take data from the iPad. So it's okay. So that's now waiting for the iPad to load. Now press on that. Got to turn the sound up. Right. This is a picture I just got off Google Images. It's Absol. Okay, and I'll do another picture. Just to prove to you. Oops. Why are you doing that? The photo, here we go. Right, alright, let's do another picture. This one's going to be in colour, I think. So, in fact, no, let's get a better picture than that. Oh, this one's quite good. That one looked good. Yep, okay. So, start a new screen. That didn't look too bad for a Spectrum. Yeah, thanks for watching.